Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's nail art tutorial is going to blow your mind. We are creating a stunning circle design using just gel polish, and trust me, the results are amazing. First, apply a base layer of gel polish and cure it for 30 seconds under the lamp. Then apply a second layer of gel polish and cure it for 60 seconds. Now here where things get interesting. Unlike many others, we are not going to use any top coat or blossom gel. Next, using the gel polish brush, just create circles on your nails. I have
Be
opted
creative
for
with the
4
placement.
circles.
You can
but
choose
feel
to
free to
place them
create
in
here
an
is the
as
crucial
many
part.
along
Before
the
curing the
sides or
circle,
wherever
take
you
a thin
prefer.
brush and gently drag strokes from the outer edge of each circle towards the center. This creates a beautiful effect that resembles brush stroke, adding depth and dimension to each design. It's super easy and looks incredible. Plus, since we are only using gel polish, cleanup is a breeze. No need to worry about smudging. Remember, nail art is all about experimenting and having fun. So don't be afraid to get creative and try out different variations of this design. Once applied, cure the top coat under UV lamp for 30 seconds. This final step will ensure that your nail art stays flawless and glossy for days to come. And there you have it, a gorgeous nail art design that's easy to create and looks absolutely stunning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nail art tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching and happy nail arting. Until next time, catch you in the next video.